Another actor jumps into the political fold. In many ways, a giant leap from real to real. Actor Vijay, a popular actor in the southern states, will be unveiling his political party TVK's flag, symbol and also anthem. This will be in Chennai today. This comes days after he met actor-turned-politician DMDK founder, late Vijay Kant's family as well. Now, the flag hoisting ceremony and the release of the party anthem is expected to be around 9 a.m. We'll be tracking across to that in a short while. The launch of the party flag, however, comes even as the process of registering TVK with the Election Commission of India is at an advanced stage. So that procedure is currently still on. But just to tell you about Vijay, in case you do not know, he's one of the highest paid actors in India. And remember recently when he had announced the intention to launch TVK, it was actually becoming the latest star from the Tamil film industry to become and take this political plunge. Because what are the legends that we have already in political corridors? C.N. Annadurai, M.G. Ramachandran, J. Jayalalitha, who's also the Chief Minister, Vijay Kant, Kamal Haasan recently, and now another young Neta jumps into the political fold. So let's go across now to Shilpa Nair in Chennai to help us understand what precisely does this mean. Shilpa, he clearly has a huge fan following, especially among the youth, if I'm correct. So how do you think this is going to change that a leading actor, so popular, one of the highest paid, decides to say, I will now become not just change on reel, but change in real as well?
Well, yes, Pooja, if you speak about actor Vijay, Thalapathy Vijay, as he's fondly called by his fans, he's one of the most popular actors in Tamil cinema at this point in time, one of the highest paid actors as well. And it is in the peak of his career that Vijay has now decided to take the political plunge. He, of course, announced that he's forming his political party, the Tamaraga Vetri Kazhagam. And today, there's a significant step that he's taking towards his political journey. He'll be unveiling his party's flag in just a short while. From now, 9:15 is the time that they've given us, and these are the visuals from the party office in Paniyur, which is in the outskirts of Chennai, and you can see how preparations are underway. They're doing, they're currently installing the flag with full secrecy. Of course, they want to maintain that suspense. Only at 9:15 it will be unfurled, and we'll know what the flag colors are and what the flag represents. There could be some symbols which could, stand for certain meanings, like, is what we're being told at this point in time. But there's a lot of suspense regarding the flag, and there'll be a flag song also that will be released, and actor Vijay will also deliver a speech. That is what we're being told at this point in time. So all eyes on what this flag will look like and what it represents. But even as this event is already underway, the preparations are also going on for next month, when Vijay is expected to hold a mega state conference in Villupuram district. That's what we're being told. It is most likely to be held in Vikravandi of Villupuram district, where he'll have the first state conference where Vijay will talk to the people of Tamil Nadu about what he stands for, what his party stands for, what are the principles, what are the ideologies that they're going to follow. So a lot of excitement regarding Vijay's political entry, because it could change the political dynamics in the run-up to the 2026 assembly elections. He's made it very clear that he'll not be, participating or taking part in any of the by-elections that may come, or even the local body elections that is due in December. But his sole focus at this point in time is the 2026 assembly elections, and that is what, of course, his party is working towards. Currently, works are underway to strengthen the party structure as well, enrolling more and more people, putting in place a proper structure, reaching till the grassroots level. So that work is also underway. So all in all, Vijay, he's ensuring that step by step his party work is completed. By 2026, when the elections are around the corner, his party will be working in full swing, and they hope to sort of consolidate a lot of young voters.
So like even if Shilpa, for example, superstar Rajinikanth decided to not take eventually that final plunge, but perhaps Vijay is almost there and will reach out to the younger audience as well. And it's going to be very interesting to realize, even for the actor as much, how real issues are different from the reality issues. And we hope that he works for people, because that eventually should be the focus of any Neta turned politician.